So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can rectify or fix a problem in your OneDrive if you get the following message. Now, I was pulling my hair out for days, and after hours and hours of research, I just could not, and trying everything, I just could not resolve the issue. I eventually found a solution, which I'm going to show you, which was courtesy of actually Microsoft themselves. But even after speaking with Microsoft, a lot of their staff could not rectify it. And if you have a look at all the forums I was going down, so that's the message that I was getting. So I was opening a Word document or a PowerPoint, and it wouldn't open any of my documents in the app, and I was getting that message, and it was doing my head right in. And you go through all of this, I went through all the updates, what it was telling you to do, go through updates for updates and refresh this and do this. None of them worked. None of them worked. So what did work for me, which I'm going to show you now, is if you were to just close the app down, and then what you'll need to do is if you go into Finder, and I'm doing this on a Mac. So into Finder, you go to Applications, and then what you need to do is just scroll down until you find your OneDrive. So highlight your OneDrive, right click, and then where it says Show Package Contents, select that. So that will open this box here. Select Contents, and then what we need to do is scroll down and then find Resources. And once you've hit Resources, you then scroll all the way down until you find these two here. And they'll say Remove OneDrive Commands and Reset the application. So what you do is just double click on the first one, and then you get the option here, do you wish to proceed? Just hit the enter button and let that proceed. Okay, I'll just bring that down so you can see it. So just hit the command button and let it run and proceed. And then once that's done, I'm just going to terminate it because mine's actually done. Do the other one. So reset the OneDrive, do exactly the same, just hit the command button and it'll run through there, look. And well, it's actually done it for me there. So that's reset that there. So close that, terminate that, and that was it. So now, when I actually go into my OneDrive, so you set up OneDrive, you just put your email in, because it asks you to sign back in again. Go sign in, click which one you have signed up, and then it's just loading up, then select next, accept. Just keep following the online instructions, next, all the way right through. Yeah, I don't want the mobile app, I'll do that later. And then that's it. So, as you can see there, it loads it up, so it's just all just reset. Just close this down. It can take a while to get all your documents back in. As you can see there, just give it time to load up. But these will all now actually open up. So I'll just show you there on a document, quickly open. So again, as you can see, as we're doing this, it's just loading up, so it will take time. You don't have to open a document immediately. Well, there we go. That's the document open. So I'm just going to close that. But bear in mind, every time, again, it will go back. Mine all went back. That is if you get the message when it says, can't communicate with a helper application. So that is how to resolve that issue. And hopefully you don't come across it, but if you do, then hopefully this will fix the problem for you.